Hello YouTube, showing you something here that I've just come across today at Shell when I was filling up some fuel, but some cool little Bluetooth controlled die-cast car. This is a collection that Shell is running some sort of promotion. There's about 7 cars to collect. They're $10 each when you purchase fuel or anything from Coles Express over $20. 15 bucks from memory otherwise, but if you buy a battery with it, then you still get the discount. So the battery is an extra 8 bucks. So together these are $18. That doesn't come with a battery, but when you collect multiple of these, from my understanding, is you just pop the battery out and you stick it in another. I have no idea how this works, so will be an unboxing. I'll be learning along the way. So in the lineup, the first car that you can collect as of this week is the Ford Mustang, and then there'll be a Ferrari F1, an Indy car, a Hyundai rally car, a Formula E Nissan, NASCAR Team Penske, and the BMW Racing DTM car. So I'll show you an image of that on the screen if I find one. But yeah, let's have a look, I guess. So there's a mobile app as well where you can scan the QR code and you can control the car and also play a game. So there's that. What else is behind here? So Bluetooth remote control, scan the QR code on the package to download the app and switch on your battery and pair your device, and let's go racing. So I have not opened this up, so it won't be charged, but oh yeah, so it is die-cast, it is all metal. And I'm going to cut this open. Get some scissors in a moment for that. Let's open this up. Let's see what's in the battery container. Just make a mess of it. Oh, so here's the other cars that you can collect, the ones that I mentioned. So there is 7 of them. And here's a little LiPo battery, which should slip right in here. That's pretty neat. And you can trim the car as well, left and right. And what's it saying here? So there'll be a QR code, I'm guessing, to pair the device. Now I can't read these without my glasses, but let's see how we go without having to do too much reading. Pop that in. We'll see if there is a charge on it. There's a little on switch. So there is power to it. And there's a USB port to charge it. It comes with a cable, but you just need your own charging brick, so there'll be a USB-A connector. So let me pause the video while I get the app ready on the other device. Okay, back again. Well, I did try and record this earlier on, but my phone got too hot and recording stopped. So here we go again. I've got the Shell Racing app. I press play. Now it did ask me for a username and that I wanted to give myself a profile and an icon, like an avatar, what state, territory and all that I'm in. So that's already been set up, so you're going to miss that. But over here on the top right, there's a remote control. That's all we want to do. And I then press connect, and I have to switch this on. It'll find the car. Oh, it says no batteries found. Let me try that again. Press connect. It's connecting. And here we go. So you got your left and right. You got your forward and your back. You've got a turbo button, allows it to go faster. You've got a horn. What's cool is you actually have headlights. That is a neat little thing. Nothing in the back though, just in the front. You've also got this thing, it's a U-turn button. Hold on. It's not a U-turn. The sound effects coming out of the phone. Then you've got this J here, so it does a little cool reverse maneuver. Oh, let me bring that back. Let's try that again. Sort of went off camera there. So that's pretty neat. So the other features here, I'm not going to go through them all, but there's a garage, so you can see what other virtual cars for your racing, some social aspect there, a race, you can race with people online. Hex track, no idea what that is. Track creator and a track hub. So this app also needs permissions to your camera. There's some augmented reality aspect to it. So when you're racing your car, it uses your phone's camera. So you're playing the game through the eyes of your camera. So I don't know how that works yet, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you the car at this point in time, and as I collect them, I'll show you the other ones and I'll tell you what I think. But I think it's pretty cool, something different for at a petrol station, which is lots of fun for the kids. They're going to enjoy that when they have a go at this first thing tomorrow morning. I'll get it properly charged up because I haven't charged it yet. I've only been playing with it with whatever juice came out of the packet. But yeah, I can't wait to see the Formula One car, to be honest. That's one that I'll be after. Take care and have a good one.